Hi guys, welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. If it's the first time you're checking out our channel, please check out some of our other videos as well. We've got some really cool stuff from our styling, repairs, alloy gators, hydro dipping. So yeah, please check out some of our other videos. So in today we have another VW Transporter T6. So this one, a little bit special this one, so it's an edition one. The colour is called Grape. As you'll see as you look through the video, we're just doing a repair to the rear bumper corner, the panel above, repairing and painting that, and then polishing it all up at the end. We have done a couple of other bits, some little touch-ins, windscreen stone chip repair, but the main bit is going to be the video about the bumper corner. Please like and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and also importantly is comment down below. We want to know about any other vehicles you'd like to see, repairs, what you think of the videos we're doing, anything else. So please comment. Stay tuned. Let's get this baby going. Get it in the workshop. Woohoo! Here we go. Right, so we're now with Fraser, who, as you can see, is just sanding out the damage on the bumper corner. Just blocking it back to get rid of the worst of the damage, and then what will it be after that? A little bit of filler, would you say? Or?
A little bit of filler just to go in the scratches.
Yeah, not going to need anything too drastic, don't you think?
Not on this one, I don't reckon.
Superb. Right, so we've got the old screws out, 2 screws just on the side here. And now we're going to have to remember on the T6 with the rear light units, and James will back me up on this one.
Yeah, it's a slide, this one. It slides out, you know.
You have to do not prise them this way. They're on 2 little sliders, so once the screws are out, easy as that slide out. and then just unplug the plug on the back, and the 2 sliders are just there. Line up with 2 lugs just here. There we go. And then lay this in the back of the van. Happy days. Now we can take this trim off, which is just secured in the bottom here with some plastic lugs. And you've got a couple of plastic trim clips just here. So we'll pop them out and we can repair them. Lovely. Okay, so now the rear light unit's out the way. We've removed the 2 plastic clips out of here, and we can lift this out. Slide it past here, we hope. There we go. Superb. They're the plastic clips that go in the, or lugs that go in the bottom. Just slide in here on the bumper, and that panel's removed. So now we can repair this, repair the parking sensor, which young Fraser has already taken out. Get that repaired, get the bumper corner repaired, and everything's done in one go. So there we go. Okay, so Fraser has prepped the bumper corner, as we can see if we come in here. He's put 1 coat of the primer on, and he's now about to put some more on.
Right, we're in the booth now with the Transporter. It's all masked up and ready to go. We've got the colour code ready. We'll put some light grey spot primer over the areas, just because that's the advised colour primer for this colour of yellow. So
Superb. Okay, mate. What is the colour? Do you know what the name of it is?
It's yellow.
Ah, it's yellow.
It's called Grape. Which I don't really understand, because I've never seen a yellow grape, but it's called Grape.
It's one of them special German grapes.
Yeah, German grapes, probably. But we have nothing against Germans.
No,
we just like to say nothing against...
Or grapes.
Or grapes.
Nothing against grapes. There we go. Look at that. Oh, lovely.
Right, we're back in the booth with the Transporter. It's now all based up, the colour looks lovely, and I'm ready to clear coat.
Oh, crusher Grape.
Lovely.
Lovely. Very good. Hello, James.
Hello, mate.
That's a nice t-shirt, by the way.
It's my new
That's
one.
cool, isn't it?
It's my new one.
Right, just in black. Oh, no, you got any, don't get any...
Got it
mess
dirty
with it.
already. I had to do some work, unfortunately.
Where are we at, pal?
Bumper for the Transporter is now all baked off, and we're now going to start putting it back together.
Lovely jubbly. Looking
Like
good.
a jigsaw puzzle, you know? And gold pieces.
Let's hope so. Don't forget, people, comment down below towards what you think of this one, especially the colour. Let us know if you like the colour on it. And then here are James go.
Which one? The colour I painted or the colour it was originally?
Well, I'd go the original colour. Thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video with AW Smart Repairs Black Stag Styling. So on this one, hopefully you've enjoyed it. It's a little bit different, mainly the colour, which is called Grape apparently. So this has been the VW T6 Transporter rear bumper corner repair and paint. Please like and subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications. Hopefully you've left a few comments, we'd like to know what you think of the video, what else you'd like to see in the future. yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Check them out on our channel. We'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Woohoo!